Make no bones about it, they came to shred. The California Milk Processor Board, you know, creators of Got Milk, got together with some famous faces and some of the world's most popular skaters to kick off their new Bones Love Milk campaign in Huntington Beach, California, and they're inviting you to. From July 27th till August 4th, you'll find daily skate sessions, tutorials from the pros, and more at this immersive pop-up skate park experience.
We're at a skate park, and we got the legendary Christian Hosoi here, who I was growing up and a big fan of as a kid, and I brought one of my kids here, so we're here to have a good time.
But I am really fascinated with skate culture and also learning more about it and potentially trying it out.
What's going on here right now is us, the team of Bones Love Milk guys that are here to just connect with the kids. We're here in the community right here in Huntington Beach at the Bones Love Milk headquarters, and it's called the Shredquarters. And so for us, it's about connecting with, what we do. We love music, we love skateboarding, we love art, and it's a clash of all those things coming together.
And the initiative stems from some research that showed that kids, when they get out of the house and they enter those tween years, sort of go away from milk because they're not constantly overseen by mom and dad. And they may go for energy drinks or less healthy choices. And we wanted to make sure that everyone, starting with our skaters and tweens and parents, understand that milk is nature's energy drink.
Yes, this skate team all agrees milk is their superpower.
Bones Love Milk! Woo!
Aside from actual falling, your bones need to be strong just from the impact that when you land and your feet actually compress down toward the ground, your feet and all the bones in them need to be strong.
As a father of 3, it's a staple at Mario Lopez, and I feel it's essential for all kids.
I know with 4 older brothers, they were all obsessed with milk because I knew it was going to help them become strong and help them, build muscles and everything like that. So my obsession with milk kind of started from a young age because of my brothers.
To learn more, go to boneslovemilk.com and follow Bones Love Milk on Instagram and check it out for yourself. Again, the pop-up skate park is open till August 4th.